Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best dual action polishers. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.
Starting at number 5, Zoda Orbital Polisher, your car's new best friend. Squeezing into tight spots? This 3-inch pad is a contortionist. Got swirls, scratches, or oxidation? Zoda eats them for breakfast. 380 watts of power, enough to make your car shine brighter than your future. 8 mummy orbit, and 3,000 to 7,200 OPM faster than your morning coffee kicks in. 6 speed settings, because one speed fits nobody. Lightweight design, so your arms won't file a complaint. Grissom gear keeps things running smoother than a jazz sax solo. Wool pad for heavy-duty scratches. Yellow for mid-level drama. Gray sponge for finishing. Think of it as the cherry on top. Hook and loop backing pad, like Velcro but with a gym membership. 13.1-foot cord, long enough to circle a small car twice. Perfect gift for car lovers, motorcycle fans, or anyone with a shiny dream. Comes with pro pads, wrench, towel, and a 1-year warranty. Zoda, turning weekend warriors into professional detailers. Let your ride shine, because dull paint is so last season. Number 4, meet the LDH TOP Dual Action Polisher, your car's new best friend. Powered by a mighty 980W motor, stronger than your morning coffee. Choose from 6 variable speeds, 2,800 to 5,800 RPM. Turbo snail, anyone? Wave goodbye to swirls and scratches, your paint's worst enemies. Dual action magic. 9mm random orbit keeps your finish flawless. Detachable D handle or side handle. Hold it like a pro or a DJ. Switch lock lets you polish nonstop. No finger cramps here. 8 detachable pads included, like a wardrobe for your polish. Not just for cars, buff wood, glass, metal, even your ego. Ergonomic anti-slip handle, because Butterfingers don't detail cars. Beginner-friendly design, even your neighbor Bob can't mess this up. Efficient heat dissipation, so your polisher stays cool under pressure. Professional-grade results without the professional-grade headache. Got questions? Support answers in 24 hours faster than pizza delivery. LDH Thopi, the only buffer that makes your car shine and you smile. Number 3, Black Decker 6 Buffer Polisher. Ever looked at your car and felt it deserved better? I remember my first road trip, shining car, endless memory, but life happens, scratches, dull paint, lost sparkle. We all want to keep our cars looking new and loved. That's why I trust the Black Decker Buffer Polisher. Its swirl-free finish brings back that showroom shine. The comfortable 2-handle design makes polishing effortless. No more tired arms, just smooth, easy detailing. The 10-foot cord lets me reach every inch, stress-free. Foam and wool bonnets ensure a flawless professional result. I use it on my boat too, versatile and reliable. Every polish feels like giving my car a loving hug. Seeing the reflection of my family in the finish warms my heart. Cherish your car's beauty, make every drive special. Choose Black Decker, restore shine, create memories, bring home the sparkle. Your car deserves it. Number 2, Bataka, cordless car buffer polisher. Ever spent hours polishing, only to get tired fast? Dragging heavy cords and noisy machines, so frustrating, right? I used to dread car detailing days. My arms would ache, but then I found the Bataka cordless car buffer polisher. It's ultra lightweight, just 3 pounds. No more sore arm, no cords, no hassle. Just grab and go anywhere. The brushless motor is super quiet, so no more noise headaches. You get 2 rechargeable batteries, swap and keep working nonstop. There's even a battery status light, green, yellow, red. Simple. 6 adjustable speeds mean you control every polish, every time. Watch this. Just set the speed, glide over the paint, done. The finish is smooth, glossy, and totally swirl-free. Perfect for beginners and pros. No learning curve at all. Now I detail my car anytime, anywhere. Stress-free. If you want fast, effortless results, try the Bataka Buffer. Check it out now, your car will thank you. Number 1, LDH Thopi Buffer Polisher. Want flawless car paint and effortless shine? Transform your detailing routine with LDH Thopi Buffer Polisher. Professional grade 1600W motor tackles tough stains and scratches. Perfect for cars, boats, furniture, and more surfaces. Choose from 7 variable speeds, 1000 to 3500 RPM for any task. Delicate sanding or aggressive polishing. Adjust speed instantly. 3 ergonomic handle options maximize comfort and control. Use directly with D handle or side handle for long jobs. 7 specialized pads for every stage of restoration. Wool and coarse pads erase oxidation and deep scratches fast. Polishing pads enhance shine and revive paint brilliance. Fine pads remove light swirls for a flawless finish. Multi-surface versatility saves time and money on repairs. Upgrade your detailing experience. Efficiency meets professional results. Ready for showroom shine? Grab the LDH Thope Buffer Polisher today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.